In this video we'll look at the Tesla Model Y Canopy. This is a genuine Tesla accessory, and in the UK it costs £120. And on the internet there's a bit of a fascination with unboxing videos, so let's unbox it. There. So it comes in this zipped bag, but I do wonder whether it's one of those products, once you've used this, will you ever get it back in the bag? I don't know. So we've got the canopy itself, and then in here are all the poles. As you can see, they're all protected in the packaging, which is quite nice. You've got some joining pieces there. So let's get this installed. Here's a quick look at the instruction booklet. So you put these uprights in first, and then the poles, and then put the canopy over the top. So these poles do have a left and a right. So we take the right pole, that just sits over the bump stop there, push that to the bump stop at the top of the hatch until the little button pops out, and then do the same on the other side. So next we take a set of poles. These are both identical and they have elastic in them, so we just let them slot together to make the full length. On the end of the pole you've got this, and that is going to go around your main boot strut. And the instructions clearly show that it goes outside of the upright poles, like that, but it does mean that these poles are sticking out a lot and they spray out at an angle, whereas that, putting it inside, seems much more natural and keeps it all in line. But anyway, we'll do what the instructions say and put them on the outside. And then we join it with this plastic adapter. But I'm finding there's very little thread on these, so you can only get about 1/4 of a turn on that. And you also need to make sure this is pushed all the way down to the bottom of the strut, so the bottom of this plastic is resting in this channel. But for now I'm going to lower this just so it's easier to put the canopy on. So I'll keep those poles as low as I can for now, otherwise I'll never reach the end of the poles to slide the canopy on. I guess you could also just do that as well to help. So next we've got to throw the canopy over the top, and you can get the far corners here, and you can see we've got a section there that the poles slide into, and then this silvery side goes inside with the greyer, whiter side on the outside. So it is a bit breezy today, so it is acting a bit like a sail, so I think I will just put this Velcro on now to hold it in place. The wind just wants to keep blowing this off. I'm sure it's a lot easier once you get used to this, but this is the first time I put it on. And as you can see, the wind is blowing in the wrong direction. Oh, for fuck's sake. So you hook this in there, and the same on the other side, and then tension up the cords so that's nice and taut and equal. But then I'm going to move these poles back up as well. It doesn't say anything in the instructions, but I assume this grey silver line on the upright pole is telling you how much adjustment you've got for the angle for these longer poles. And a bit of final adjustment on these straps, and that's done. And that's the Tesla Model Y Canopy installed. It is a bit awkward to get that canopy over the boot on your own, particularly if it's windy, but then this was my first time doing it. There's a bit of a light breeze today, but the canopy seems to handle it okay. Currently the car's pointing towards the sun, and we've got nearly 5 meters of shade behind the car. So for summer picnics, camping or events, this is a good idea. I like the subtle branding, that's very nice. The only thing that could be improved is these plastic adapters. There just isn't enough thread on there. You can only get half a turn on these, and consequently you can't do them up particularly tight, and it's easy to cross thread it because you just can't push them on enough. For a genuine accessory, this is a fair price and it feels good value for money. It would be a lot easier to put this up with 2 people, but I managed it on my own by putting one of the straps in the rear door, which stopped that side from falling back off. I'm sure it will be easier to put up next time. Taking it down only took a couple of minutes, and it was easy enough to get back into the bag. You can buy this product directly from Tesla within the app. The price includes delivery, and it came in 2 days. I hope you found this video useful. Please do click the thumbs up if you have, and also leave your comments or questions below. Okie doke, I'll see you on the next one. If you like the video, please do click the thumbs up button, and leaving a comment also helps too. Plus, of course, subscribe if you're not. If the video saved you time or money, a little support via Ko-fi or the Super Thanks button would mean a lot. There's over 1,300 videos on the channel, so have a browse, use the search, and have a look at the playlists. And here's 2 videos you may want to check out.